Welcome to this hardware engineering deep dive on the GaN charger revolution. We will explore how a tiny transistor has changed the physics of fast charging and power delivery. We are now moving beyond the limits of traditional silicon-based power electronics and exploring the new semiconductor landscape. Silicon has been the gold standard for 50 years, but it's reaching its theoretical limits due to high resistance and thermal constraints. Gallium nitride, or GaN, is a wide bandgap semiconductor, allowing for faster electron movement, higher voltage tolerance, and exceptional thermal efficiency. GaN's wide bandgap of 3.4 electron volts requires more energy to excite electrons than silicon's 1.1 electron volts. This disparity is key to high-frequency switching and allows GaN to withstand much higher electric fields without breaking down. Gallium nitride crystals possess a unique Wurtzite lattice structure. This creates strong internal electric fields, enabling a high electron mobility transistor, which provides higher breakdown voltage, lower on resistance, and a drastic reduction in component footprint. Comparing power conversion efficiency, the jump from an 88% efficient silicon MOSFET to a 98% efficient GaN integrated solution represents an 80% reduction in power wasted as heat. GaN enables a size revolution. GaN switches are so fast that transformers can be shrunk significantly. This allows 100 watts of power to fit into a space previously reserved for 20-watt chargers, reducing volume by 50% and tripling power density. The exceptional conversion efficiency of GaN results in an 80% heat reduction. This massive drop in energy waste is a defining characteristic of GaN technology. GaN technology is engineering beyond smartphones, scaling up for industrial and automotive frontiers. Industrial market verticals benefiting from GaN include electric vehicles, data centers, and 5G and radar. GaN makes chargers and converters lighter, saves significant server farm energy, and is essential for next-generation telecommunications. GaN is projected to replace silicon in the power semiconductor market, with an anticipated 30% compound annual growth rate. As we look to future horizons, we must consider if we are entering the post-silicon era. Areas for continued discussion include thermal management, grid-scale storage, and wireless power. Thank you for exploring the physics of hardware.